Hello lovely people, how are we all doing out there? I hope everyone is fine and dandy and living your best life, or as close to it as you can be. So what are we here for? Well, we're here to talk about Phase Zero Beauty from Love Me Beauty. Well, it's actually Phase Zero Makeup from Love Me Beauty. There you go, I just think that was weird, too many beauties in that sentence. Anyway, Love Me Beauty used to be a subscription where they would have an edit of products, like, I don't know, 50 products, 100 products, and you could pick the products. You pay £10 a month plus P&P and you pick your products. And now they decided to only do one product, and that is makeup from Phase Zero Beauty. The first month they had about 10 lip products. Yeah, I think 2 lip toppers, 3 glosses and 4 liquid lips. And it was a bit like, oh, you're opening a makeup line with just 10 products? What is this about? And I was like, I don't know. But then they showed us some eyeshadows and it looked very exciting. And then at the beginning of this month or the end of the last month, they said, oh, look, you can choose your new eyeshadows. And they said they will be sent out on the 15th. And they said they take 3 to 5 days to come out. And they told me that on the 19th that they'd been sent out. And they still were not here on like the 28th. What was the date today? 31st. Yeah, they still weren't here on like the 28th. They said, oh, wait until after the 30th and they should arrive. I read the email and I thought, like, you should be a little bit more apologetic, because you told me on the 19th they were already in the post and they take 3 to 5 days. Not even working days, just the 3 to 5 days. And now it's been like 9 days and I still don't have my stuff. What's that about? I think they just sent them out really late and they sent out the email before they sent the product. Anyway, so if you'd like to find out if Love Me Beauty and Phase Zero makeup is any good, will I still be subscribing, whether you should subscribe or whether you should say no, then I need you to give me a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Of course, I'd love to add you to my family of subscribers, and if you'd like to, share this video. Even if you don't want to, share it anyway, because anyone might need to know this information. Okay, let's get into the video. So the whole idea of Love Me Beauty was that, like I said, you pay that money and you would pick from the edit. And now if you're a legacy person, which I am just about, it means that you can choose from the products at members price, and your £13.95 a month will go towards buying those products, and then you pay post and packaging, and then you get sent the products. The products on the site have 2 prices, so you can either pay £5 a month and get the items at members price, or you can pay full price. So I think the lip products are £12 full price. Some of them are seriously not worth it. Some of them are great. Prosecco Kiss I think is fantastic. Lip topper, and I use it for my eyes and stuff. Great. £12. But you can pay £3.50 as a member. So you pay your £5 and then you get access. That £5 doesn't get you anything except for access to pay the cheaper price. So you have to kind of be sure that you want some of those items, really, I think, before you spend your £5. If you bought 5 things, it makes everything £4.50 instead of £3.50, plus you've got poster and packaging on top. I don't even remember what I bought. Is this what I got? Oh, I thought I ordered more than this. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I stuck to my plan. So the eyeshadows, they have done them in sets, and now the lipsticks have come in sets, which would have been nice to be able to get them in the first month, because I would have chosen a couple of sets and it would have saved me a bit of money. So yeah, thanks for that, guys. Like, aren't you supposed to treat us, your prime, premium, first out there customers, the best? Anyway, now they do eyeshadows, and you can get them in sets of 6, you can get them in sets of 3, or you can get them in individual eyeshadows. If you get them in sets of 6, they are chosen for you. You can't choose extras or swap colours in or out, which would have been nice to be able to choose your own 6, even if you had an extra 50p or something. To be able to choose your own colours would have been great. And I got this set. The packaging is nice. Quite fancy, this Phase Zero packaging. And in my head I'd ordered this set plus another couple, but in my box I have this, so I'm gonna have to check what I ordered. Ah, that makes more sense. Ha! Now I've taken them out of the packaging, I realise that what looks like one is actually 2 things, and that's where the other stuff is. I thought I'd ordered more. So I take that back. I did go over my limit a little bit, but not much. So I think I ordered one set and one trio and then a couple of individuals or something like that. Anyway, so for £4.80, you could get this, which is a metallic box. This at members price. This is all members price. I will put what the other prices are as well for comparison. And it's supposed to hold 12 eyeshadows. So I got 12 eyeshadows because that seemed to make sense. Fill up my thing and maybe be done with it after that. I think I've got 10 eyeshadows. I don't know. I should have some to fill this up, basically. So they come in little trays that pop open. And it says on the back what they are. This is Warm Taupe Sheer Satin Eyeshadow, made in Taiwan, 1.8 grams. It looks like this. Looks like that. Quite nice. Might need a little bit of layering up. And in it goes into its new home. Then we have Snowball, which is a shimmer eyeshadow. It's got kind of like white and gold reflective bits. You can't really see the gold there, but I can see it. And it's kind of powdery. Kind of looks like snow has fallen on something gold. You can definitely see the gold more. It looks quite white in the camera, but in the right light, it definitely looks two-tone white and gold. Don't have a colour like that, so that's quite interesting. This is Goddess Shimmer Eyeshadow. They did have more than what I picked up, but I wasn't going to get them all. So it's quite a golden gold. Well, this is just dumb. There's two there, right? So you think you'll be able to fit a third? Oh, look. Doesn't quite go. You can squish it in, but then I just stuck my finger in the thing and damaged it. So they've made these for their product, but they don't fit properly. Whose dumb idea was that? However, we continue. Oh, this one of the colours I really wanted, actually, I think. Is it Pink Champagne? Yes. Pink Champagne Shimmer Eyeshadow. It looks like that. Oh, quite like that one. Good choice. Good choice. I swear I've got two of the same here. I have got two of the same. So one of these is going to be in my giveaway. Why did I do that? What a twat. Never mind. It looks like this. It's called Velvet Sheer Satin Eyeshadow. Looks like this. Oh, maybe it was in a set and it was in a... and I bought it singly. It's quite a nice purple. A purple with something else sheen to it. So I had two more the same then. I was about to be mad. Cashmere, which is a sheer satin. It's like a pink and gold reflective brownie thing. I'm so good at describing colours. They should give me a job doing it. I tickle myself sometimes. This is Cool Girl Sheer Satin Eyeshadow, and it looks like that. You can see what kind of colours I chose. All the pinks, all the purples. Right. This is Silver Screen Shimmer Eyeshadow. It's like a bluey silver colour. Comes out very silver. Oh, this is so dumb. And they don't fit widthways either. I can put it in like that and it'll fit. And if I put that in like that, that fits better and doesn't squeeze. So it's a good thing I didn't aim to totally fill my palette, isn't it? Because I would be peeved. And this final colour is Nude Newbie. And it looks like that. Now I suppose they're not... that one's quite similar to actually. The sort of lilac colour, but this is actually a stronger colour and more pink. Stronger than that one. So this is the range of colours. Excuse my arm. Just trying to move them around in the light a bit. And this is how they fit in my tray. I would have just about had room for one more, but I'm glad I didn't fill up the whole thing because that would be annoying, as I say. They don't look terrible, but I haven't yet put them on my eyes. Now, am I going to continue next month? Well, I don't know what's coming out next month. They charge you on the first of the month, so I have got like a day to decide and cancel. I'm undecided at this moment. It'd be great to hear your feedback. What do you think? Should I continue with Love Me Beauty for one more month and see what they've got? I haven't seen any spoilers, so I've got no idea what we're going to be offered next month, or if we're just going to be offered more of the same. If we're going to be offered more of the same, what would I get even? There's one lipstick colour that I would like, and I suppose I could stock up for my giveaway collection, but apart from that, I would hope that they'd come out with something else like blushers, bronzers, because they're supposed to be a whole new brand. So the decision is in your hands. I'd love to know whether you think I should carry on for one more month or should I cancel. And I of course will do some kind of look with these eyeshadows so that you can see the quality of them, so you know whether you should go and buy them. I'm not super disappointed, but I haven't tried them on my eyes. But I am disappointed with the way they fit in that case. That's just stupid. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful in finding out a bit more about Phase Zero makeup and Love Me Beauty. And until we see each other next time, get voting. Let me know what I should do about this box, and take care of yourself and live every moment well. Bye guys.